Right, I get it, guys. We're filming the intro now because obviously my GoPro likes to play silly buggers all the time, and it just deletes random footage. But I did the whole intro there, and I did a whole gear run through for like 2 minutes, and I'm bloody filthy now because I'm editing it all up, and of course it's just grown legs and ran away. But yeah, basically we just sort of hop around a couple spots, do a bit fishing, and yeah, we get into some real nice fish, get into a lot of them as well. We go like Rainforest to rock pools, that's hence the title. But yeah, at the end we finish it off too with a nice surf session, but unfortunately we only get a little bit of footage for that. But me and Ryan went on to catch way more fish that half, so would have been wild to get it on film, but it just got too dark, too late. But yeah, we got some good fish, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Look at the turtle in front of me. Turtle. Yeah, little turtle. Right there. Don't want to get too close to him, probably eat the lure. Oh, me nuts are wet. Right, we just mished it for a bit of water. As you can see, we're a bit wet. But coming up to a decent little spot now, which I've got sooties, bass and toga, and never caught them here, but I've seen them. Oh, really stacked. And I've caught yellow belly. And just one of those spots that holds everything. Go on, bass. First fish of the sesh. Got a little bass here on the jig spinner. Proper pup. Off he goes. Got right as jig spinner, TT jig head, and Daiwa jig spinner, and it's a chase baits placky. How cool is this little zone though, eh? Like it's a proper rainforest. You get a hit? Yeah. Or was it bass? Something decent? Not really. Hit's a hit. Yeah, exactly. Go on. Yeah, another little bass. Just hit me out in the middle again. Little baby. We need to come here and get some for the fish tanks. Off he goes once again. Little jig spin. Give it a quick flick. Oh, nice. I thought you were gonna go soon. I was gonna get me another one if I snagged up. I did, but I got it back. Alright. Cold. Like come out and eat your bass and shit. Be pretty rough if we hook a cod in here though, on this gear. Oh, fuck. Wait, that would have been a PB if I got you then. PB fucking Ryan fish. Oh, look at this bird's nest. Look at this knot I've got myself. Oh, yeah. Better be an easy one.
Just what happens when you hook up onto a ride.
They're hard to land, them fellas.
I don't know what I did with that hot water.
Was it not in your pocket?
No. She's already gone, walking out.
Was it not in the car either?
Could be in the car. Might have put something in there.
What'd you do? No, bro. Oh, yes. Oh, you see that?
Yeah, I saw that.
I don't know if that was a soot or a really bronze bass. How cool would a big tiger be in this sort of, like, spot? Oh, oi, toga. It's not a tiger, I mean big yellow. You go on. What, smaller than others? Oh yeah. Yeah, did he?
Oh. On all 3 hooks.
I got one as well. Look at mine. Mine's a little tackle like yours. Mine actually might even be smaller, is it?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh.
It's hard to beat.
A pair of small tackers. What do you do?
It like landed on the water on its side and then just like kept itself out of the water.
It's good though when you catch heaps of small ones like this, because then you hook a big one and it just fucking like catches you so off guard.
Yeah.
Because you're just so used to them little ones fighting. And then out of nowhere you get a good one. And just like, bang. I got another one.
Another little one.
Yeah. Look at him. Little baby. Little baby. Look, oh, that one's smaller than your last.
Yeah, definitely.
That one's fucking tiny, tiny. Holy shit. Look at the size of that. What? Little baby bass. Off you go, baby. Boom. What the heck? Oh! Yeah. Small one, but he went hard.
How do you do it, eh?
These lures are good though. Do you want one of these to throw?
No.
Ooh, no, he found his way home.
He made it run.
No assistance? What a good boy. There might be a couple school. I'll try that albino hole just for a second. Just to see if we can see the albino toga. Because, you know, after I caught it, Josh went back there and he saw it. Yeah.
Wild action, we have ourselves one of these Aussie bass. I've been fishing for this thing for ages. No Aussie bass gonna scare me. I ain't even afraid of them snapping turtles. Yee! Wild action. Release this famous Aussie bass back into its nation. Up the Aussies. Yeah. Yee! Wild action. Oh my god! Oi, I just caught a bass in that, like, full-on rapids. Crazy little bass. Oh! Oh! A big fish. Oh, he's out. There's a good one. Oh, oi, that's a good fish. What the? Bro! Grab the brag man. What? Bro, that is a monster. Here, come down here, I'll grab a photo. Bro, that's a 50, I reckon. Bro. Hold on.
Only 45.
Hold up. His fucking head's not staying on the front. Yeah. Only 45s.
Holy. This fella smashed it right up deep in the rapids. And yeah, all the small fish today elude you. Make you think this fella's way bigger than he was, but either way, I'm stoked on that. That was sick. Grab the photos over here. Tank bass. Profit on this. 45 centimetre. And smashed it out of the rapids. Gotta go on that little bone. Smashed it in there. Mate, I'm profiting on that.
Another decent one. Come stand here with me. Come stand on here. He's probably like nearly 40, high 30s. Yeah. Oi, watch this. Literally every cast. Ready? There's actually heaps of fish hitting the surface just there. Oh, bro, there's actually heaps of fish hitting surface. And I just hooked up. Look at all the fish here. What the fuck? Bro, there is toga everywhere. I just hooked a little toga. I've never seen anything like this. Oi, there is literally fish everywhere, Ryan. Look at them all hitting the surface. Nah, put on. I'm getting hits right now. I'm putting on surface for sure. There is like thousands of fish there, and I hooked a little toga too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, we just tied on surface because there's legit bass hitting surface here everywhere. Like, look at them all smashing it out there, and right here even. Look at that. What? Look at that bass's eye. You just got nailed in the thing. Tits. Bro, the fact that I can't get this hook out right now is setting me mental. Oh yes, I got it. I'm 100% filming, eh? Filming. Watch this, eh? I'll see how quickly I can get one. I'm gonna wind it so quick too.
That one's gonna smack.
Look at that. Oh. Ready? Watch this, Ryan. Bro. Feels not even that bad. Cause it's not. Wait, he's not even a bad one. He's like 40s. Why is he hooked in the worst place in the world? Yeah, he's like 40s. Bro, he's good.
That's my best one of the day.
Look at this. We've both got bass on surface. They're literally just, they're hitting everywhere just here.
Yeah. They keep shaking. Look at that.
Bro, that's a good one. Hold him up for the camera. Oh yeah, he's mid 40s probably. For
Probably
sure.
one of the best ones I've had. Yeah, probably. Fuck,
Yeah,
that's good.
we'll release them together. Pair of 40s models. Mine's like probably 40s, yours is probably mid 40s.
That's fucking sick. That was after.
Bro, there's so many surface.
That was after fixing the bird nest too.
That's the end of that one, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And yeah, basically, see you in the next one. Peace out. Have a good one.